Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. Yes, I'm back now with a new layout, some new ideas. Like I say, I've been working on various items on my layout this week. Like I say, with the new back scenery just on there at the moment, that went on there today. So I'm just waiting that to take off. And like the canal now, the water's in now, I just need to finish the rest off with the boat on there. And this area is starting to become a treat. Like I say, there's so much going on here, and this looks quite nice. When I raise this track up, it does look quite impressive. And then all the work I've got to do down the other end. Like I say, I've been painting the canal boat, ready to go onto the canal. I've got all the trains located there. I've mended all the underground trains, so they'll be featured on my layout very soon, up the other end. And I've got the stuff all in the boxes. Like I say, there's so much going on this time. Like I say, I'm going to take my time and come up with some great ideas. So you will follow me on this journey from start and see it at the finished end. So I'm looking forward to that. So this is Diesel Dave saying take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on my latest adventure.